Hello everyone and welcome back to Teacup Tarot. In today's video, we're taking a look at what blessings are coming in terms of your life and on your spiritual path. As usual, you have 3 piles in front of you. Please pick one that really speaks to you and then we'll start with pile 1. Hello, and if you've selected pile 1, these are the blessings that are coming in your life. Now, first of all, the blessing that you've attracted towards yourself is that of removal of hurdles from your path. And basically, this card is from the deck of the Sai Baba Oracles. So basically, Baba or your ascended masters are essentially removing the hurdles in your path and making your path ahead smoother. So if in your work, in your personal life, you have been facing any kind of difficulty, that is likely to be out of your life and your path ahead will become smoother. But once again, this is almost like a hard-earned blessing is what I'm getting here. Like probably you struggled a lot, like your past may have been, a series of ups and downs in fortune. And now finally, it is almost like peace will be coming into your life. So one of the blessings that you're attracting is peace after a hard-earned battle. And I believe a part of that is because of the hurdles being removed from your path. Yeah. But you're also coming into the gift of clarity here. Like maybe, all the cluttered thinking that you've had, any doubts about your future success, if you may have had that, things will really get clear. And I'm also getting like financially, if you've been struggling or you may not have been able to achieve whatever it is that you've set out to achieve, things will get better, okay? But at the same time, right now, if things seem like, okay, you're a little bit here and a little bit there, let it be. When the time is right, things will get really clear. Till that time, enjoy the confusion, because in that confusion, in the space of being in between, the clarity will come for you. Because this is almost like the blockages that are caused for you is a karmic one. And when it comes to karmic blocks, it takes time to release, but when they do, things become crystal clear. And because Baba has stepped in to make that happen for you, I believe you will not have to wait anymore is what I'm getting here. But what is also happening here is, see, when we are born, we usually carry a lot of tendencies with us from a past life, okay? A lot of past life patterns, a lot of past life belief systems. And basically what is happening now is, you're almost at a part in your life where you are ready to let go of the past, and I do not believe this is in this lifetime. This is like the things and the karmas that you've been carrying from the past life. You've resolved them, and in fact karmic relationships is also coming forth. One especially person in your life that you've let go of in the past 2 months, that was a carry forward for you from your past life, and that is something that you're done with. You've settled that karmic account, the person is out of your life and you are ready to step forward is what is coming forth. But at the same time, anytime a person lets go of their south node, they're rapidly heading into the north node. So basically you are heading into what you're meant to do in this lifetime, what your soul is born to do in this lifetime. So what usually happens is, when this particular pattern comes into our life, it comes with a lot of choices. So you will have to make choices, make them boldly, because at this point of time, you're not likely to make any mistakes. Whatever mistakes you were meant to make, you've already made them, you've learned from it, and you're ready to move forward is what is coming through as well. But as I was suggesting before, financially, if you guys were not at a point where you felt like you should have gotten even before, before a year or before 2 years, you're finally getting there is what I'm getting here, okay? But now is going to be a time where you will really not have to worry about anything. Financially, you're coming into a lot of blessings, but you're also coming into the blessing of a significant property here. Now, this can be in the form of a land, like purchasing a land or building a property on a land that you've previously owned is what I'm getting here. But of course, your connection with the nature spirits is absolutely very strong. In fact, it is going to be keeping on strengthening as you move forward. Your connection with the elementals is strong. and that is almost coming in as a blessing for you. So being able to communicate with the elementals is a strong blessing that is coming into your path. But of course, I'm also getting a blessing on your family, especially relationships that may have not gone really well in the past. There may have been a certain kind of a disconnect between you and a certain member of your family, like probably because of a tiff or a misunderstanding. That will actually get resolved, and the communication pattern will sort of get renewed, is what I'm getting here. Of course, rebuilding that relationship will take time, but overall I see a smoothness resuming in your life is what is coming forth. Now, you may also come into a lot of changes when it comes to your career. Okay, for a couple of you may just be drawn towards a new career entirely, and whatever you've done for so long in your life, you will be like, okay, maybe that was not meant for me, and this is what is meant for me. And you'll decide that you actually may want to take that up like full time, or decide that maybe you want to make it a part of your life as well. So of course, for a couple of you, going towards knowledge, a specific kind of a knowledge is also on the cards, and that knowledge is actually something that is sort of a blessing for you. That was a talent that was lying very dormant in you, and it is almost like because the time is right, that is about to come out. Yeah, but this specific talent that we are talking about, you've always known that that was a part of you. Okay, now this could be something like an artistic talent, or this could just be something as simple as accountancy, like something you knew you always had, but now it is really coming to light, is what is coming through as well. But one great blessing that you're drawing towards yourself is the presence of a spiritual teacher in your life. Okay, now this spiritual teacher is exceptionally kind and exceptionally gifted, is what I'm getting here, and the presence of that teacher in your life is almost going to heal you. Like their presence is healing, their guidance is healing, and they always want to take your life in the best way forward. Like their purpose in your life is to get you peace and to help you resolve any karmas that you have been carrying. Okay, spiritual teacher, very evolved being, is what I'm getting here once again, and somebody whose connection to the spirit world is especially very, very strong. Somebody who believes in prayer, somebody who believes in worship, and worship is a part of their life eternally, is what I'm getting here. So you're also drawn the gift of a spiritual teacher in your life, and I believe that is one of the greatest blessings that you'll ever get in your life. And understand this, the timing that this is coming through is especially very significant. It is coming at a point where you're ready to let go of your past and welcoming it in the future. But sometimes this person can actually come in the form of a partner or maybe a soulmate coming into your life. Okay, so be very careful about these relationships, because sometimes our greatest teachers are actually our soulmates. Okay, so this can be a relationship that will teach you a lot about yourself, but this will also heal you, is what is coming through for you. Now, one of the blessings that you're getting here is now you'll almost get the adoration of people around you. Like people will love you for who you are and for the talents that you have is also coming forward. So all of your life, if you sort of waited for that moment where people will accept you for the person you are, for everything that you bring to the table, that time is also coming. And honestly for you, this is a hard-won gift, is what I'm getting here. Because for this to happen on some level, you should have accepted yourself. So I believe you have accepted yourself, not only the blessing part of you, but also the shadow parts of you. You've done a lot of work on yourself, and as a result you've evolved a lot over the past 2 years, is what I'm getting here. And hence you've reached a point where people admire you. You have that light where people respect you, people admire you, and people want more of you, is what is coming forward towards you. But Also, as you move ahead, you are also gaining the blessing of a lot of spiritual beings, okay? And I see this in the form of nature spirits, the place where you are residing. Like the residential deity of your place is actually coming towards you with a lot of blessing. So you have the blessing of the ancient ones, the ones who walked before you. Native spirits is what I'm getting here, and they are blessing you a lot because there's something that your presence have done. Okay, it's almost liberated them is the sense that I'm getting here, and they are leaving you with a lot of blessings, but also a lot of wisdom is what is coming through. Yeah, so you're coming into a lot of blessings in your life, definitely is what I see for you. But there are some things that are going to be happening in your life that are unexpected, and I see this in the meaning of positive here, because in this reading we're also looking at the positive parts of life. Yeah, so this is like, you know, you were looking for something, you're looking for something, and at the point you've almost stopped looking it, and it is almost like, you know, oh my god, I find it, I finally understand things, I finally find the answer to my prayers. That is the kind of sense that I'm getting here, and this is almost happening unexpected to you. So certain blessings that are now going to be coming into your life are almost unexpected, something that even you were not expecting is what is coming through for you. But the reason why this is happening is because you have a lot of benevolent spirits helping you out, and God, spirits, angels, they are just really out there to help you. They want to help you make your life a better place. In fact, they want to, you know, help you move forward from your past. They really understand the struggle they've gone through. They've been through with it, you know, with you is what I'm getting here, and finally they are like, it's over, it's over, you know, that's what I'm getting here, and finally you'll be moving away from it is what is coming through. Understand this, over the next 2 months you may come across a lot of energy fluctuation, lot of emotional fluctuation. See, it is almost like you're wiping your slate clean, and when that happens, coming out of your past, especially a past that may not have been ideal, takes time. It takes emotional healing. So give yourself that healing, and I feel that will actually happen organically for you. Yeah, but you have help. You have help from the nature spirit and also from the native spirits is what is coming through for you. And once again, the people in your life that you have right now, they are going to be people who have your best interest at heart. Like they are the champions of your cause. They are around you to aid you, to assist you. Sometimes this can actually be your friends, the friends in your life who accept you unconditionally, but sometimes these are friends on the spiritual realm. And for a couple of you, I'm getting a very strong inclination of a star seed. So your family from a different dimension is also coming very strongly to support you. But help is all around you, and the kind of blessings that you're coming into, it is hard won blessings is what I'm getting here. But overall, that is what I see for you when it comes to your blessings in your life. And as usual, I want to leave you with nothing but prayers for a beautiful life. I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Hello, and if you've selected pile 2, these are the blessings that are coming into your life, and let us take a look at what they are. Now, first of all, the blessing that is coming in your life is your ability to differentiate between people. See, I know pile 2, you guys are like sweethearts. You're the most sensitive people, you're the most trusting people. But God, the source, the spirit is finally giving you the gift of identifying people who are right for you and identifying people who are wrong. So you'll be able to see through people very clearly now. And if a particular person is wearing a mask of being too good, of being too kind, or just saying things that may not necessarily be true, you will be able to distinguish them from the genuinely kind-hearted people is what I'm getting here. So it's a beautiful gift, and I'm so glad you're getting it, because, you know, I feel like, you know, your kind heart sometimes is taken great deal of advantage of. But at the same time, I feel like the reason why this blessing is coming upon you is because you've done a lot of soul searching. You've gone through a lot. There is a lot that you've learned in life, and things are becoming crystal clear for you. But along with that, there is also a great deal of blessing on an illness. Okay, now of course this can be like a physical illness and injury, but illness or injury doesn't always have to be that of the body. Sometimes it can be an injury to your heart, something your heart has suffered and you are being healed for it. Okay, so some of you could be healing from inner child issues, you could be healing from teenage issues, but overall that is a healing that is occurring. It will take time, it will take patience, but eventually you will reach a point where you will be able to not only survive but thrive, is what is coming through for you. But along with that, I get a feeling of a very strong protector in your life. Okay, like this spirit guide essentially, you know, almost deflect thing from you. If something is coming towards you, they're like, no, stop, this ain't coming your way, and they deflect it, you know. So it's a very strong protector in your life, and the protection is going to be constant. And I believe, you know, the identifying people, that gift is actually coming because of the spiritual being as well, is what I'm really getting. Now also for you, pile 2, I believe the blessing that you're going to be getting is the ability to appreciate the people in your life. Okay, and especially appreciating people who've done a lot for you. So this could be from the generation of your parents, this could be from the generation of your grandparents, like basically giving back to them what has been there to you. Okay, finally being able to give something to them that you know they deserve, and that is like such a big gift, because I truly understand this. And if you're coming into this blessing, believe me, there'll be nobody more happy than I. You'll be able to give somebody a gift of gratitude and something that they truly deserve, is what is coming through for you. But at the same time, what is happening here is, like, your communication is being very clear here. Like, you're able to be direct. Now as you move forward, of course you'll continue to think about other people's emotions, but you'll be able to convey your thoughts in a way that is right for you. See, in the past, if you've been accepting things from people, if somebody says an unkind word to you, you'll probably take it. You'll think about tremendous things about how this person may be going through something. But now you will develop an ability where you'll be like, no, hold on, this is not what I deserve. And maybe tell the other person that, you know, okay, this hurt my feelings, as this is not okay with me. Of course, this is again very hard one. So this is almost a result of a lot of karma being paid, karmic debt being settled, and hence you are getting this gifts, is the sense I'm getting here. But your communication is getting clearer, you're being very forthright and assertive, is also coming through for you. But once again, you're getting the gift of creating a life for yourself, deciding what your future life is going to look like. This is almost like spirit giving you the opportunity to decide which path you want to head into, to decide what journey you want to take next, and make independent decisions for yourself. And especially if any one of you has been in codependent relationships, or you were relying on parents or any significant other to do things for you, to support you in some way, I believe now you're going to be entering into a point you'll be like, no, I am the artist of my own life. I am the one who's in the driver's seat, and I am going to be driving my car, is what is coming through for you. But of course, you're going to be getting a lot of help from your intuition, lot of help from your subconscious is also coming forth. But you are going to be the creator of your own destiny as you move forward, is what is coming through for you. Now, also, I believe there is a wish that you've been holding very close to yourself, very close to your heart, and the possibility of that getting fulfilled is absolutely there for you. Okay, now this is going to give you a great deal of satisfaction, great deal of mental relief is also what is coming through for you. And I believe a part of this is because of your family. Okay, it is very linked with your family and money. Okay, these two things are coming in very strongly, but a wish is definitely being fulfilled for you. Now, you are going to be coming into a point in your life where wisdom is very appreciated. Okay, like any place you go, you'll be looked upon by respect with people, because people see you as somebody with a great deal of ability, with a great deal of life experience, and with a great deal of almost intuition, but also divine guidance is what is coming through for you. Okay, But let me tell you this, your mind is getting very strong, especially when it comes to the area of manifestation. So be very careful about the thoughts that you're thinking, because sometimes even your most unconscious thoughts may actually come true to life. So be very careful about your thought process is also coming forth for you. And I believe this is almost like, an ancestral blessing that is coming your way, especially if you've had any kind of shamanic ancestors or ancestors that were involved in a great deal of spiritual work. They are leaving a significant mark on you, and this blessing, a lot of spiritual blessings that you have, is actually because of those ancestors, is what is coming through for you. But you're going to be working through a lot of your fears, okay? So especially towards your future, if in the past you looked at it with a lot of anxiety, you looked at it with a lot of fearful thought-based patterns, I believe you'll be able to clear that, and finally you'll be able to get out of the patterns of anxiety and lead a much more fulfilling life, is what is coming through for you. And I believe that is happening because you're gaining a lot of wisdom, you're gaining a lot of knowledge. It is almost going to be an aha moment where you're like, okay, anxiety doesn't make sense anymore, fear doesn't make sense anymore. I'm just going to live my life in a much more intentional manner. I'm going to live my life in a much more planned manner. And maybe that is why you're able to get over your fears, is what is coming through for you. Once again, your ancestral blessings are coming in very strongly. Ancestral wisdom is coming strongly. And once again, Raven can be one of, your spirit guides, especially a bird spirit guide. And a raven brings in a greatest amount of blessings for you. Esoteric knowledge that you would not have previously gained access towards, is also opening up for you. And the gift of mediumship may be available to you should you choose to go for it, is also coming through out here. But you're coming into your full power, okay? And the reason why you're coming into your full power is you're finally healing. See, only a person who's actually healed will have the ability to heal others. And maybe because that process is complete, you'll be able to move forward, is what is coming through for you. But you're also discovering your true power once again. See, pile 2, because of your sensitive nature, because of your intuitive nature, there was a point in your life where you were sort of afraid to go your own way, to speak your own mind, because at the back of your mind you always have like, I don't want to hurt somebody, I don't want to come in anybody's path, I just want everybody to do well. But finally you are realizing that, okay, maybe that doesn't serve me, because I have to take care of myself. That is the thought pattern that you're coming into, but you're truly becoming a dragon, and you are emerging stronger than you ever have. Not to say you'll be losing your sensitive side, that is a beautiful side for you, but you will be able to understand when to use your emotions and when to use your thoughts. Yeah, so the distinction is going to become much more clearer for you. And you're also accepting that life comes to you in stages, life comes to you in chapters, and maybe you realize somewhere that one chapter of your life is over, the past is the past, and you have to move forward. And you're also okay wherever you are, because you realize that everything in life is a blessing. So this is like a beautiful place in your life that you currently are in, but I believe you're just going to be so much strong as you move forward. Yeah, and at the same time, like I was telling you, once again, you are going to be saying things very clearly out loud for everybody to hear. The time of shying away, the time of playing the victim is over. You are in the driver's seat, you are in the command seat, you are the dragon. Alright, so like a dragon, you are going to be going out. More power to you, pile 2. You deserve to be where you are, because people like you deserve to be a dragon, because you honestly are. People usually take sensitivity as some kind of a weakness, but sensitivity in itself is the biggest strength, because that is not something every person is capable of. You have that, but right now you're learning how to balance those two things together. More power to you. I'll leave you here. I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Hello, and if you've chosen pile 3, these are the blessings that are coming into your life. Okay, now first of all, for you, the end of a tough cycle approaches. So I believe You know, a lot in your life that was happening up until now was a result of your karma, the karma that you've done in this life. Okay, see, sometimes we are not aware and we do certain things, and probably, you know, we get a lot of karma. But now that tough cycle is really coming to an end, and you can expect a great deal of relief, and that is a blessing that you are getting into your life. Okay, but along with that, because the tough cycle is really getting over, you're coming into a lot of abundance, you're coming into a lot of fruition. So all the hard work that you've been putting into in your life, you're going to get results for it. And these are not just normal results, these are actually rewards. So finally you can breathe again, finally you can enjoy again, and finally you can be at peace again, is the message that I'm getting here. Okay, but financially you can definitely expect abundance to show up in your life, because I believe a lot of money blocks that you were holding in yourself are also getting resolved. Yeah, and you know, it wasn't so much as the money blocks that you were creating, but all major of them were actually as a result of your karma. Okay, now a karma is something we create as well, but not intentionally, is what I'm getting here. But money is not going to be an issue for you, is what is coming through. Okay, the karmic trench. See, basically lot of past life karma, lot of karma in this life is something you were really suffering from. We don't have control over these things. Okay, the only things that we can do is keep working towards doing good deeds in the present, and you seem to have done a great deal of that. Like, you've paid the price, you've paid it again, time and again, and you are basically getting out of it, is what is coming through. Yeah, and because you're getting out of it, you're left with a lot of rewards. Okay, now I'm getting a very strong sense of the Saturn planet coming through here. So of course Saturn's blessings may be upon you, or you know, the blessings may just start on you, is what is coming through. And I also see the gift of a property here for you. Okay, now what is happening for you is you've done a lot of hard work, but you did not get the rewards that you deserved. Those are going to be coming. So all the blockages are removed, and you can expect that financially, in terms of abundance, in terms of security, you will get a lot of forward movement, because you've done the job, you've done it well, and the karmic block is also clear. So expect a great deal of movement forward, is what is coming through as well. But also, as you move forward, you're getting the blessing of protection. So as you move forward, you're going to be very protected. Any sort of forward steps you take, they are going to be blessed. So if you are coming into any major decision, or you want to make any major decision, trust me, you cannot make a wrong choice. Okay, because everything that you're doing, every action that you're taking, is taking you towards your destiny, is what is coming forth. You're really protected, your energy is protected, and your aura is completely protected. Nothing can penetrate you, is what is coming forth for you. I also get a very strong presence of Archangel Michael in your life, who's there to cut the energy cords out of your life. Energy cords of people who do not belong, energy cords of, you know, things that you've picked up along the way, you are getting rid of it. So if you anytime feel like, you know, your energy is getting drained, or you feel like you need a little bit help, call upon Archangel Michael, because he is the angel who will come to your aid, is what is coming through for you. But at the same time, you know, emotionally, I feel like you're going to be getting into this sense of flow. Like, anytime you want to express your emotions, anytime you want to really say something, you will be able to say just the right kind of things at the right point of time. Okay, any repressed emotions that you may have held in the past are also getting clear. In fact, you may actually have a lot of heart-to-heart conversations with people and clarify a lot of things. Okay, so being able to sit with people, explain your point of view, explaining your emotions, them explaining theirs, and hence the air is cleared. I see a lot of that happening for you as well. But at the same time, you're also likely to be involved in a lot of artistic endeavors. You may realize that you want to take up a new hobby, you want to paint, or you want to change your own appearance. Okay, you're really into that flow of the water like energy, and that is a blessing that is coming in to your life. Okay, and there is a great deal of blessing on your family, okay? And this is not essentially the family that you're born with, but the family that you make for yourself. So this will involve, of course, this could involve like a significant partner or a family that you have, like your kids, or maybe your extended family, like your friends. Maybe this is like a group of like-minded people coming together to form a tribe, because this blessing is on your family, which happens to be your soul tribe. So meeting significant members of your soul tribe is absolutely possible over the next 3 to 4 months. So keep a lookout on that, and this is going to be a blessed meeting, because you guys are going to be helping each other a lot move towards a prosperous life, is what is coming through for you. Now, one thing that I really want to tell you is, especially if you guys have been using your home to do your work, it's important for you to understand sometimes when we work from home, our work may consist of stress, and when we are stressed, we affect the energy of our homes around us. Yeah. So when it comes to your house, you are getting the blessing on your house, but that is a blessing that you will have to give yourself. Once again, please invite Archangel Michael to clear out any energies that are residual in your home, or any energies that you may have created because of stress, or any person in your home may have created because of stress. Okay, make sure you are infusing your house with positive energy. Saging can help you, Palo Santo can help you, or sometimes just prayers can help you. Okay, please make sure you use of that and infuse your home with a lot of positive energy. Now, also, you're also coming into a great deal of personal power here, okay? Like, you're not afraid to say your mind, you're not afraid of confrontations, you are not afraid of being true to who you are, okay? Like, this is you really standing strong, you wanting to act when you feel the time to act is, and you also, cutting certain people out of your life if you feel like they are not giving you what you deserve. So this is really taking some really strong decisions here and emerging stronger as a result of this, okay? And I believe the position that you've arrived in right now is after a lot of deliberation, is after a lot of suffering on your end, is what is coming through, okay? Understand this has long been a thing that has been awaiting for you, okay? And if you've made certain hard decisions in the past, especially recent past, they've been for your good, highest good, and don't ever regret it or don't ever rethink about it, is what is coming through as well. Of course, this is a very specific message, may not resonate with everybody, but the power that you've accepted for yourself in your life, it's time you did that, is what is coming through for you. But okay, you're also coming into a lot of healing, okay? And you guys are very strong when it comes to your archangels, okay? Because you already had Archangel Michael, and now you have the presence of Archangel Raphael in your life, bringing forth a lot of healing for you, okay? Now, he's healing your relationships, he's healing your body, and he's healing your mind, is what is coming through. But you also have to be a little bit patient with yourself, and especially when you need rest. Don't be feeling really bad about getting that rest, because only if you rest will he be able to restore your energies to the optimum, is what is coming through for you. But he's clearly coming through with the gift of healing for you. Okay, I love this. I truly love this, because not only are you coming into your own power, you're acting on your own behalf, you're acting according to what is right for you, but you're also learning to love yourself, you're learning to accept yourself, and honestly, you're putting your needs above everybody else's, which is something you needed to do at this point of time. So your self-love is really strong. Whenever you want to say no, you're going to be able to say no to it, and when you want to say yes and really give out of your benevolent heart, you'll be able to do that as well. So this is almost like a beautiful flow of energy, this is a beautiful flow of emotions, because you're starting to love yourself once again the way you truly deserve, is what is coming through. And look at that, it is a blessing for a fresh start, and this is almost like a fresh start of the person you are, okay? This is like you dissociating with the person you were in the past, almost rebirthing yourself. Like the phoenix is born from their ashes, you are born from your ashes once again to emerge stronger. lot of past life karma burning, lot of karma that you've accumulated in this lifetime burning. Saturn is very benevolent on you. Saturn is leaving blessings on you, and look at that, you have the Raven as well. So that is really standing strong. Some really powerful energies coming towards you, but please rest, because that rest is important for you to get rejuvenated and to acclimatize yourself with all of these new energies is what is coming through for you. Of course, this comes in the form of a blessing, so it is something that is coming from the universe, from the source to you. So in order to accept that, please be a little bit more kinder to yourself when it comes to rest, meditation and contemplation. Overall, those are the blessings that are coming towards you. As always, I want to leave you with nothing but my best wishes for your future. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.